Welcome back to the chair with Autism 2005, and in today's video, we are filming V87 with a P42. Once it gets a little quieter, we'll hear it. Listen.
Location 8861, crossing activated.
It's that good old P42. Hopefully we can get a lucky one. But will it be a wrapped or will it be an unwrapped? I can see that reflection. Obviously it's not the good horn, but see what it is. It's wrapped. Looks like 912. Yes! First class! Woo! First class, baby! Woohoo! Wrapped first class with a P42. And 2 wrap coaches! We got 4 wraps! 4 wraps!
Location 8861, crossing deactivated.
Wrapped P42. Wrapped business class. What P42? I don't know yet. But we got a first class wrap, folks. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I might catch this tomorrow. Because it's got 3 wraps, including the 4 wraps, including the wrap first class. Woo! How lucky am I today? Woohoo! This is going to be an awesome catch. Well, this isn't my model. I don't know what this P42 is, but I gotta know. One of my Instagram followers for your model 910. It's this model 910. I know you'll be watching this video. Yes, yes, yes. 910 wrap first class. Is it 910? 910 with the wrap first class. This is the one I saw in Brantford and on the 6 Bud Card train on V88. And a wrap business class car. 910. With the windshield wiper on fast. Wait for engineer. 3476, baby. Woo! All wrap coaches except the 3rd coach. 3338, 3312, and what's this last coach? 3316. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Woo! Thank you all for watching this video.